Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add bank details in Zoho Books. So of course, make sure that you head over to books.zoho.com and log into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on banking. And to start, of course, you're going to need to connect your bank or add in your bank details manually. So, of course, to connect your bank account, you're going to need to provide your bank account name and account code and account number. You can also add in more details about your bank by entering your name, bank identifier code, and you can also add in description to your bank account. Then once done, just head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Then we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!